Welcome. Today we are diving into one of the most elegant concepts in vector calculus, the divergence theorem. This theorem connects the flow of a fluid across a surface to the behavior of that fluid inside the volume. At its core, the divergence theorem, sometimes called Gauss's theorem, acts as a translation tool. It allows us to relate what is happening inside a three-dimensional shape, the volume, to what is crossing its outer skin, the boundary surface. Here is the fundamental equation. On the left, we have a triple integral over the volume V. It sums up the divergence of the vector field F. On the right, we have a surface integral over S. It sums up the flux of F crossing the boundary. Let's break these symbols down. First, what is F? Imagine a vector field as a fluid flowing through space. At every single point, we have an arrow representing the velocity of the fluid. It tells us how fast and in what direction the stuff is moving. Now, what is del dot F? This is the divergence. It tells us if a specific point is a source or a sink. Positive divergence means fluid is being created or expanding outwards from that point. Negative divergence means it is compressing or disappearing. The left side of our equation is the volume integral. It effectively asks us to go through every tiny point inside our box and add up all the little sources and sinks. We are calculating the net amount of fluid generation inside the entire volume. The right side is the surface integral. This measures flux. Instead of looking inside, we stand on the outside boundary and watch how much fluid flows across the surface. We only care about the flow moving perpendicular to the surface. Here is the intuition. Imagine a room full of air. If air is being pumped into the room at various points, positive divergence, and the room is full, that air has to go somewhere. It must be pushed out through the windows and doors. The total air created inside equals the total air flowing out. Why do we use this? Convenience. Calculating a surface integral over a cube requires doing 6 separate integrals, one for each face. But with the divergence theorem, we can turn that into a single volume integral, which is often much easier to solve. To summarize, the divergence theorem links the boundary to the interior. It says that the sum of all little expansions inside a volume is exactly equal to the total flow leaving its surface. This powerful tool simplifies complex calculus problems in physics and engineering.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.